Hope you're all well, staying safe. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Videos every Saturday, Wednesdays, and occasionally we do the Mondays, which we've been smashing at the minute. All videos are live from 7 AM, and if you want to keep up to date with what we're doing on a day-to-day basis, then follow our Instagram at farmingbros_YT. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering why I'm in the Class Arian 660, and that's just because, well, I haven't properly used it yet. So yeah, I said to Ben, well, we have to use it this afternoon. He's currently out spraying and he said crack on, so that's why I'm in it. And got the 4-metre cockling all-rounder on the back, and we're going down to the 20-acre where we cut the winter barley, and we will be scratching that over so that the seeds germinate. So that's the plan. So it should be quite a nice afternoon. So we'll get on the road and head on down there now.
Alone and loud, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you mind? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day.
Right, so I'm just waiting for the GPS to lock on. So you see here, we've got it working level. You want this bit here to be level, and you can alter the depth on these pins here. So like I said, we're just here scratching it over, and I've just come along there. See the difference? You can see it's like that, and then this here is literally just scratched it over, probably about 2 inches, 2-3 inches, just been scratched over the top, and like look, rips the stubble up. So yeah, that's the job we're doing. So yeah, that is doing a, as you see there, that is doing a good job. I think Dad will be happy with what that's doing. Don't think we need to go any deeper. That should yeah, that should be a good depth to work at. So hopefully the GPS is locked on, and I'll crack on and smash the 20 acres down. So you got the lovely view that you get from up in this field. Yeah, that's a beautiful job, that. So we've got the GPS set up for doing a straight line. So should look pretty snazzy when we get the drone up. Obviously I'll be able to get it up because I'm not driving this afternoon. Yeah, I'm pleased with how that's ripping that up. That is doing an excellent job. Exactly what we want it for, to be honest. Just scratch it over, and then it's ready to go to be drilled in the autumn. Here, I'll give you a little, let me just unscrew you. There we go, so this is what we're doing. Now we're farming people. You can see our line there where we've just come down. We've got our speed set up here, cruise control. I'll probably go a bit faster than that, because we're already scrubbing it over. And there's our GPS. doing a handsome job it is. This cockling does look proper smart up behind this tractor. I won't give it that. And like I say, I haven't actually used this tractor properly, so be good to see how we get on and see whether it can change me from a New Holland. That's the question Ben will have later on when I get back. Is the beautiful thing about having auto steer. Yeah, this field's just like amazing for the view is unbelievable here. And it just makes all the drone shots look 100 times better. It's also a lovely sunny day here today down in South Devon. As we've had quite a few people asking where we're farming, so yeah, we're down in South Devon. Bit of a remote part of the country if you're from the UK. But yeah, it's not bad. But yeah, having auto steer and be able to drone is so much easier. When I'm trying to drone in my T7, I'm having to like drone, grab the steering wheel, drone, like hold it with my leg. Oh, I just knocked out of auto steer. Yeah, I like sort of wedge my leg against the steering wheel, try to keep it straight, and then yeah, and then obviously I can't concentrate as much. And you would have seen in some of the spring groundwork where I had the drone up, you could see I'd start going offline because I'm trying to get a cool shot with the drone. But yeah, Ben's got his own drone, so when he's out in this he'll be able to get some good footage. But yeah, we're knocking the acres down now, probably about, oh yeah, got to be over halfway. Well yeah, we are, definitely we are. Chugging along nicely. Obviously it isn't hard work what we're doing, it's only taking a few inches off the top layer. Which one's it on? Is it that one? Up she goes. So it's easier to fold this up and just work on it standing up instead of like crawling in underneath. So I'll just fold it up and then be able to put it down on the ground, and then yeah, like I say, I can then just work easily. Drop it down. Righty-ho, so I'll put my gloves on like that and get my D-roll. Whoa, this is going to be a bit difficult to do while filming, so I might have to just put you down somewhere. and show you in a minute. But basically, which foot is it? It's this foot here that I'm changing. As you can see, it's starting to wear the leg away a little bit, so we'll get that off. It's already been turned around once, so she's finished. She's all done. See, like this one I changed the other day. Plenty of room left on that, so yeah, let's get it changed. Hopefully you can sort of see this. So on my third lap round, and it's a bit of a 90-degree angle. Well, it's not 90 degrees, but it's a fair angle. And since I've oh, hang on, I'm not on thingy. Whoa, bloody rookies. Back it up here and make sure it's in thingy. Forward, GPS on, cruise control on, so you'll be able to see, hopefully we'll make it around this corner here. So like I say, it's a bit too sharp to leave it in the ground obviously, so I can like come along, pick it up, round the corner, drop it back down again, off we go. So yeah, that works like that. So, but I don't think I have fully done the headland bit right. There we go. So we've got a 5-minute cruise back up to home, back up to the main spud farm. But yeah, the fun's over for today. All that's left for me to do now is to unhitch, put it back in the new shed, and then I better fuel up Ben's tractor for him, so that if I'm digging in the morning, it's ready to go. But other than that, that's going to be it for today's video, I reckon. But if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to. Well, that's if you enjoy our content, and give the video a like if you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions you want to know, leave it in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at farmingbros_YT. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!